Hey everyone, right, which metallic markers are best? I often ask myself this question, and as you can see I've got through quite a lot in trying to work that out, and I need to restock soon, so I thought I'd give them all a quick try, work out which was the best before I decided which ones to purchase. And then I thought, I wonder if everybody else has had the same thoughts too. So let's have a look. Right, this one first is, I don't know what brand that is. It's the same as this one. This hasn't got a label stuck over it. It's just called Metallic Craftwork Pen. Does that brand say okay? Oh, I don't know. Let's try it. Now, some of these I haven't used for ages. So that's number 1. Let's call these number 1, shall we? Right, so those are number 1. What I'll do is when I've worked out which ones are which and which ones work the best, I'll put your links for the better ones down in the description, because those will be the ones I'm ordering. Now this is one that I know a lot of people use, and there's the bronze in it, or copper, whatever. That's Deco Colour Premium Prime Premio. So these are number 2. And I'm doing them left to right across the top here, so I know which are which. I'll give them a rub in a second. We'll see which ones have stayed on the best. So these are the same make, they're just the 3 different colours. I use these a lot, so because I do think those are very, very good. Now this is another brand here that I've got quite a few of in different thickness ends, but I don't think they do a chisel tip. Now the problem is, when you haven't got a chisel tip, it's hardest to do around the edges of coasters, because you know when you do that thing around the lip at the top, it's really hard to do that without a chisel tip. But anyway, that's 1 and 2. So let's see what these are like. Now this is the one I did the edge of that coaster with, but found it difficult to do the lip. This is the actual pen. Now my perception is this one is an awful lot more mirror finish. So these are all number 3. There's a fine tip one as well. They do them in several different tips. I've not been able to find a chisel tip though. But that is lovely, because you can write with it and all sorts. Okay, let's have a look at the coppery coloured one in that. I think this is a copper. Oops, doesn't look as if this one's been used in a while. You see what I mean? Some of these I do need to throw away and get new ones. Here's a big fat coppery one. Let's see if this works. And let's have the gold in that. I've only got the fine gold. Okay, so this one's a bit past its best as well. Right, let's have a closer look at these. I haven't needed these two, have I? Right, so number 1, that's these ones. First of all, let's see how shiny they are. Not as shiny as number 2, which is the ones I do typically use. They have dried quickly and they do stay on. So that's these ones. These, they are shinier, they are more metallic, as you can probably see. Let's put them under my light. Let's bring the light over a bit. Yeah, so you can probably see there they are shinier and more metallic. But well, let's have a look at these. Yeah, they're a bit more shiny and metallic. They're actually very much like number 2, those are. Although actually, yeah, there's not a lot in it until you get to the silver. Look at that silver. Are you picking that up as well as I am? That is proper mirror finish. Almost. Way more than the others. Can you see the difference? I hope that's showing up. So, my verdict then. Still love these. These aren't great. That's number 1. These are excellent because it makes it easier to do around the edge of coasters, if you know what I mean. I mean, when we do this is a Duff coaster that I was just experimenting with. But look, that is so easy because of the chisel tip, and you can just tip it at an angle and go around nice and easy. See, like so. However, that mirror finish you are not going to get with this. So my verdict is, when I come to restocking then, I am going to get a set of those, which is the deco colour. So that is what I will put you the links for. And I will also be getting this one again. And that is just in the chrome, and that is simply because that one is an upgrade on that. But this one won't do that around the edge of the coaster trick. So that, going forward, will be my pen set. I won't bother getting the other colours in this one, because these I think are just as good, and they've got that chisel tip, which is great for the edge of coasters. So there we are, that's what I'm going to be getting. These chrome ones, which are Fly Sea chrome paint markers, and that's that set there. There you go. I hope that was helpful. I'll let me just zoom you in more, and we'll have a close, so you can have a closer look. And I will go away and order my pens. Put you the links for everything as I'm doing so. May as well, because I'm getting them anyway. So I'll put the links in for you. Still blown away by that silver. That's amazing. Right. Hope that was helpful. If you've liked this little video, do give me a thumbs up. Obviously that's down there. If you could do that for me, I would be most chuffed indeed. Thank you to my channel members for all of your support, and thank you to those who've subscribed. If you wish to subscribe, you know where the button is. And I'll see you for the next video. Bye everyone.